The spokesperson of the MDA 2.0 and also Cabinet Minister, Dr. M Ampareen Lyngdoh, at a press briefing held on the 19th of May 2023, had confidently stated that the government of the day, under the leadership of NPP Chief Conrad K Sangma, is much inclined towards the welfare of the people of the state of Meghalaya. Lyngdoh, while speaking on cooperation of all political parties under the umbrella of the MDA, said that the government has not set aside any political party from bringing forward their observations on any given matter, especially as far as protection of the people of the state as per existing laws is concerned.
Are not elected to the Legislative Assembly, we do not take the mandate to form a government to be popular. We are sent here with the sole purpose to protect the interests of the people of the state of Meghalaya. Sometimes interpretation may vary from one interpretation to the next. The MDA 2.0 is here to govern, to show the way, to engineer, to put in place, to correct errors of the past. Whether that takes us to a better level politically or whether it will jeopardize our political survival is irrelevant. We come to govern. We govern with confidence. We govern with as much a cooperation from all players in the political field. We did not exempt any political party from bringing forward its observations. This will continue. However, a term of reference will be put in place so that we remember that the existence of a committee is for a very specific reason. You do not at random pick up any information or any discussion only because it serves the purpose of popularity for any political gain. We are here to govern, we will govern. Our interest is very focused. The people of the state of Meghalaya should be protected, and all citizens must be protected as per law. It's different from what we are saying. Come to the discussion table. Discuss with an open mind. Do not have hidden agendas. Do not discuss policy making on the streets, because it's dangerous for the public at large.